For today's video I got really high altitude-wise.
I'm in the highest town of Spain. It's called Vilaflor and it's a rural municipality located in the southern part of Tenerife in the Canaries, 1.5 kilometers above the sea level. There's something weird about Vilaflor. There's nothing interesting or important about it. Since it's the highest town of Spain, I was expecting to hear an interesting story, something that attracted people all around Tenerife or Spain to move here. But no, it just simply exists. Unlike the majority of the settlements in Tenerife, Vilaflor is not close to the sea, although it has breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. Geographically speaking, there's nothing appealing about this location that might make people to want to move here. A few hundred years ago, a guy just decided to move his family here. Today, it's only a 45-minute bus ride away from the city of Los Cristianos. The ride is very scenic. There are 2 churches and pretty much nothing else to see. I was the only tourist in the town, and since I was there during the siesta time, I was pretty much the only person outside. It's so high up that you can see the clouds below the horizon. It's a typical Canarian town, only up in the mountains. If you have a free day and if you want to visit it, you can check it out. It might still be worth a visit, but just don't expect a lot.